Hey, it's Perry Hampton from Hampton Network. If you're a music creator or just curious about AI, you're about to see how to create a full music album, concept, artist profile, and pro-looking artist image in under 5 minutes. No experience needed. I drop free digital gifts in the description of every video, so be sure to check that out. If this helps you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's jump in.
Okay, let's go ahead and make a complete album, artist profile, album cover, album art, and everything. So the first thing you're going to do is I actually developed this tool myself to actually create the content for all my albums and everything that I have currently on Spotify. So at this point I have probably 25 or 26 albums on Spotify. So what I want to do is I want to show you how you can use this tool to go ahead and just create everything that I mentioned in the intro. So your screen is going to look similar to this. It may have a different background or maybe a different color scheme, but it's going to look exactly the same. This is the back end. You'll be seeing the front end if you decide to use this particular album generator. So the first thing you do, you just type in a genre. I'm just going to type in reggae. That's my favorite music, by the way. Song topic, you just put in whatever the topic of or the theme of your song. And I'm just going to say a song about growing up in Jamaica, for example. Okay. The vocals, you want to make sure you select whether it's male, female, or duet. In this case, I'll just select male, but you can select whatever you like. You could choose a number of songs up to 10. It's actually up to 10. And also, I'm just going to, because this is just a demo, I'm going to go ahead and just choose 2 songs for this particular album. And the reason why I actually, for the gender here, is this is actually when it starts to write the lyrics for you, it'll know that it's a male or a female singing. So we select male vocals, so we'll select the male gender. I have this in supervised mode. Yours won't be in supervised mode. In the front end, or actually it may be, but supervised mode, all that is you have to approve every step. And in fact, the way I have this set up, you'll probably have to approve every step, meaning you don't want it to all just go in the background at one shot. So every chance or every time it makes a run, it'll ask you to approve it. So let's get into this. Let's just, all right, so I gave all my inputs. Let's go ahead and click on continue here. Okay. My agents that I built in the background are thinking. Now they're going to ask you for, we're going to create the music artist. So it says it's ready to execute and you have to approve it. So you click on approve. Okay. So now what it's done is it's created 5 artist name, and it obviously includes the genre. Okay. The genre, I mean. So you see all these different names for potential artists. Okay. So you just choose one. Okay. If you want to regenerate, you can actually regenerate it, but let's just say we like Zion Pulse. Let's see that. Okay. Okay, then you're just going to put in the gender. Obviously, you're going to type male because you selected that earlier. Okay, then you go ahead and click on continue. Okay, the next step you're going to see you have to approve it. Is this going to create the artist persona? So see right here, this is the name you selected. It create the persona for you. Oops. Let me go back. Okay. Create the persona, the name. It's going to give you a quick little bio, or just what the artist reflects. It's going to give you a backstory. And this is actually a fictional backstory, but you can use this for your artist. It gives you the musical influences. Go a little about the musical style, vocal, lyrics, and theme. Image and aesthetic. And just remember, we haven't started creating the lyrics yet. This is just the artist profile. Okay, this is going to give you the primary demographics of that particular artist. And it'll give you the target audience and the age group and everything. Give you a psychographic profile. Okay, give you secondary audiences, and it gives you engagement preferences. Okay, so now we're ready to actually generate the title and song titles. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, here's the album title, Roots of the Island. Okay, let me go and expand this back out. Okay, so right here, Sunrise on the Yard and Echoes of Home. So now it's going to write the lyrics for these songs here. So we're going to approve that step, and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, it's going to give you the music style. This is great. This, you could take this and put one of my favorite music tools is Suno. I'll leave a link in the description for that. But it's Suno. There are several others that I use, but the main one I use is Suno. And this is going to write, you just simply copy this music style here. And go ahead and put that into the Suno music style, and your music style is done. Here are your lyrics. You can just simply copy just like this. Okay, on each one. Okay, this is 2 songs. This is the second song. Obviously, that's the first one. You come down, so now it's ready to determine the music style for each song. It's going to give you even more of an enhanced music style. So let's approve that. Okay. It's researching from all the knowledge that I've built into these agents. So it'll be finished in just a second. It's going to give you a nice detailed composition plan. So you see the song title here. It gives you the genre and everything. It gives you another music style here. It tells you a little bit about that. Okay. Now, the next thing is we're going to go ahead and compile the album details. So we're going to approve that step, and you'll see what's going to happen now. Okay. See the album title, Roots of the Island. Okay. Give you a quick overview of your album. Gives you more information about the songs and the music style, tempo, etc. Okay, and it tells you a little bit more about the album. So now we're about ready to create the album art. So let's go ahead and approve that. This is a multi-step workflow with multi-different agents creating this content. Okay, so now it's going to create the album art. Okay, and what you can do is you can click on this URL here, and you can actually see the album art. Now, this is using Flux in the background to create this, but right here you can see this is a little bit of a typo. Sometimes the large language models can have some problems with the text, but that's no problem. You can simply take this into your favorite editor, whether it be Canva or Photoshop or whatever you decide to choose, and you can actually correct this text, or you can just simply delete it. This is just to give you just a starting point of what your album cover will look like. So let me go ahead and close that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and generate the artist profile photo. Let's go ahead and approve that step. And then, as it may take a few seconds, maybe 30 to 45 seconds to generate this profile photo, you see it's generating the image with Flux in the background. And it's going to give you another image of what your potential artist would look like. And you can use this on your cover art or whatever you want to use this for, but this is your actual artist. Okay, gave you a nice photo of your potential artist. Okay, now, and that's the final step. And you see all this content. You can simply copy all of this content. You can actually export it to a PDF, or you can just copy it. I would just copy it from here. And as you can see, you've built a complete album with the titles, the persona, and everything based off of just a couple of inputs. And as a matter of fact, I think it's 5 inputs that you used for this album. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy using this album generator.
If you got value from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone building their music brand. And check the links in the description. There's free digital gifts waiting for you.